Well, good morning, guys, and welcome back. So you can see I still have the Dodge Ram. I am going to sell this truck, but Lisa and I have been traveling over the last few weeks, and we still have a little bit more travel ahead of us. So I haven't been here consistently to be able to, efficiently sell this truck. So that'll go on the market in another probably 3 weeks, and hopefully we'll unload the Ram pretty quickly. This toolbox has been really nice to have in the truck. I don't have one in the Tundra, and I haven't decided yet if I'm going to buy one for the Tundra or not. This one does not fit the Tundra, but it's been nice having this. Regardless, I've got to get it emptied out in preparation for selling this truck. So guys, today I think I'm going to go to work on installing that lattice, the skirt around the base of Lisa's art studio. Once I'm done with that, except for the painting the trim around the windows and the fascia, I'm pretty much done with that building. So that feels pretty good. It shouldn't take me too long to do the lattice work, and then I'll be done. So we're toward the end of September now, and I'm looking forward to some fall projects. I think there's two big ones. I want to completely fence in the orchard, save for 2 apple trees at the far end, which will designate sacrificial apple trees for the deer. And then the other project is to bring electric into the shop here. So I'm going to dig a trench from the pole over by Maggie, and then run that trench along this side of the property, right pretty close to the edge of the hillside there, and then bring it up to that side of the shop, put a panel in, and I'll bring 100 amps into the shop here. That'll be way more than I'll ever need. But then ultimately I may run power from here up to Lisa's art studio as well, as I mentioned in a few videos past. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do today. It's really nice. The smoke is not nearly as bad as it was a couple of days ago, and there's a great breeze blowing through here today. I'd say it's probably in the high 60s right now. It's warming up, so I'll probably shed this layer. Okay, let's get going. Oh man, that's a bummer. So a little bit loud in Lisa's shop with the rain falling on the roof in there, small space. Anyway, hard to explain what really happened in there. What I did is those roof panels, if you remember, I was cutting them with the metal blade on my circular saw in the beginning, and that just wasn't working too well for me. It was spitting off too many shrapnels, and I didn't enjoy using that saw on those panels. So I ended up finishing it using tin snips. And, when you're cutting metal with tin snips, it doesn't necessarily leave a smooth edge. And so that particular valley is the valley that I cut the panels with tin snips. And I think what I did is I walked on that roof too close to the flashing, and a sharp edge of that metal roof where I'd made the cut pierced that flashing in three spots. And I could see them up there. So I knew that was going to happen, but I just hadn't gotten around to making the repair before it started raining. We didn't expect this rain. It kind of came out of nowhere. So it's no big deal. It's an easy fix. I just need to get up there when it's dry and apply the silicone caulk to that area, and we should be fine. The rest of her studio was dry, so the other valleys are fine. But regardless, you live and learn. So I was hoping that I could get some more work done here at the homestead today, but the rain is pretty steady out there. I still need to finish that lattice work. I've got 2 sides done. I have the other 2 to complete, and but it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to do that today. Also, Lisa and I are traveling still. We're getting ready to leave actually later this afternoon, so we've got one more trip on the calendar. And then we'll be back for the rest of the year. So anyhow, see what I can figure out to do around here this morning. Even though we sometimes complain about the rain during the wintertime, we both love the winter. And this first rain of the season reminds us that winter is approaching. And hopefully this year we have a winter similar to what we experienced last year with all that snow. That was very unusual for this area. They haven't seen that kind of snow since the 1980s. But regardless, it was a lot of fun. We had about a foot of snow out here at the Homestead property, and it stuck around for a good week or more. So that was pretty cool. We're in a rainforest, so the climate is pretty temperate year-round here. So to see that kind of snow was unusual. But anyway, today is awesome. I love the smell of the rain. The landscape obviously has been begging for it, so it's nice to have this rain. But again, not much to do. So as you know, we publish a new video every Sunday, and we've been doing that for 65 weeks now. Today's video should be publishing on Sunday, October 1st, which is a very special day. Peter and Gisela are celebrating their 50-year anniversary together. So huge congratulations from Lisa and I. We both hope you have a positively smashing day. Well, guys, I'm back at the shop in town, and with the rain coming down, there's just not much for me to do here. So I think what I'm going to do is wrap up this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please smash that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll look forward to seeing you guys next time.